today's pretty exciting stuff. We have Craig Smith. He's one of the models we've been working with at the Academy. And we've done his Polaroids before. He's really kicked off with his work, which is fantastic. But the problem is Craig wants to take himself internationally, and he's got the real potential to do so. But for that, he needs to have his portfolio built up a little bit more so he can show the clients what he can actually do. Create some cool photo shoots that look editorial, look edgy, look cool, but we're sort of, we're creating them for today. So we've got 4 or 5 looks, some really cool places that we can shoot. Some really old school stuff that really captures some colours and like the style of the local people. So really exciting stuff. This is what it's all about.